today I learn English. American textbook reading, Science 4, Lesson 9. Let's go. Hello everybody, welcome to your lessons today. I'm Brian Stark. Well, today we're going to be learning about Part 2, Earth Science, Lesson 9, Changes in Weather. You will discover about dangerous type of weathers and different types of clouds. Okay, well let's start our lessons today. Okay, so first word here we have is blizzards. Blizzard, it is a storm with lots of storms and wood, with lots of snows and winds. Well, you know what? The blizzard is very dangerous kind of weather. It's just kind of like it is snowing. Also windy, right? They mix the airs to make a kind of rains, right? But this rain is not falling from water, but it's falling from snow. Well, blizzards. When it's falling, it is very hard for you to see where you're going. Well, it's very dangerous, okay? And the next word we have here is thunderstorms. Thunderstorms is a word that sings about is or next to large bodies of waters or holding anything like a golf clubs, okay? Because a thunderstorm is a storm with lots of lightnings. What is lightning? Well, of course, you see in the pictures lightning here. And here, lightning is the really strong electrical light that comes from the skies, and sometimes it hits the ground. And when you see lightning, you should count one to 1,000 to 3,000. Then you hear it. You hear a very loud noise, and that is thunders. And you can tell how far our storm is by counting. Ever see the lightning and then the thunder strike your way? You know, the storm is right on top, and you count 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and then a few more lightning. Then you hear some thunders. You know the storm is far away. Interesting, right? Well, thunderstorms is a storm with lots of lightning and thunder. Okay, and the next word here we have is a tornado. A tornado is a word that sings. Tornadoes is a storm where spinning winds comes down from the clouds. Well, tornadoes is spinning winds that comes down from the clouds. What is our tornadoes? And it touch the floor, right? If it touch the ground, then it will damage many things, just like this tornado. You see that the tornadoes, right? Is spinning, just kind of like it's spinning, right? And there's many clouds from it because it's coming from the clouds. You see, right? What's tornado? Okay? Well, a hurricane is a very large storm that has very fast wind and a lot of rain. But it's a very large storm. It has very fast winds, right? A hurricane and a lot of rains too. Well, that can make a lot of damage. And this kind of like it can be flood all over. Lightning and thunderstorms, right? All around that place. Okay? Okay, well, hurricane is a very large storm that has very fast winds and a lot of rains. Okay, well, that's a hurricane. Okay? Well, there's mixtures of all kinds of damaging weathers, right? Well, hurricane. Okay? Well, a first word here we have is flood. Flood is a large amount of water covering an area that is usually dry. There's a lot of rains, right? Or maybe the water's coming in when there's a flood. Well, in Bangladesh, the water here is not too high. It's very low, and it doesn't have too much. It doesn't have mountains or hills, right? Well, the vent is very narrow. The waters can easily come in, and there are many floods, right? Well, okay, so flood are large amount of water that covers an area that's usually dry. Okay, so the next here we have is hibernate. Hibernate is for some animals to spend all winter sleeping, right? And spend all of the winter sleeping. Well, this is a funny picture right of a bear, and it is staying in its burrows just for hibernating. Well, many animals love to hibernate because usually in the winter they doesn't love go outside because it is very, very, very cold and they doesn't have enough food. Well, they will sleep, right? They will sleep, and when spring comes again, they will come out. Then they will spend the time outside again. Okay, so let's look at our chart here. Changing weathers. Okay, first is blizzards. Blizzard is a very bad snowstorm with strong winds. Well, when it is snowing is very big, right? There are winds coming, and the winds are blowing the snow. Keep it in all directions. That is blizzards. Okay? Well, that's blizzard. It's very bad snowstorms with very, very strong winds. Okay? And our next word here we have is thunderstorms. Thunderstorm is a very heavy rain. It's very heavy rain with thunderstorms and lightnings. Well, it is thunderstorms. Okay? Well, thunderstorms, heavy rains. When it's raining, there will be lightning and thunder. That's called thunderstorm. Next is tornado. Well, those are very strong winds that comes from the clouds. And when it's touching the ground, it will destroy all the things that it goes to. Okay? Well, tornadoes, it looks pretty scary, right? Okay, and our last word here we have is hurricane. It is a large storms that starts over the warm ocean waters, right? Just in the warm ocean places, okay? Well, let's look at some kinds of clouds and weathers. What is cumulus? Cumulus is dense white clouds, and when you see the cumulus, it means good weather. Well, those cumulus, many people can look at them and they can imagine of different shapes. Someone, maybe they look at that shape and they can think about a boat or a car or this, maybe a bat. I don't know. Next is stratus. Stratus is a flat layer of clouds. It's flat, right? And when it's there, we have cloud and dry weather. Well, what if we have good weathers? Then we have cirrus. Cirrus are high, thin, and wispy clouds. They just have like pieces of soap coming all around. Well, that's cirrus. Cirrus, not circus. Okay? The last one is cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus, right? Okay? That's a little bit hard. Just read it slowly. Cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus. It's a heavy rain clouds. When you see those heavy rain clouds, that's bad weather. It's going to be lightning or hurricane or tornadoes or maybe just a rain, right? Yeah. Okay, well, let's look at some readings. As the seasons change, the weather changes too. Summer is usually hot. After summer comes the fall, and it's falls, and it's colder. After fall comes winter. Winter is the coldest seasons. Yeah, that's right. In winter, blizzards can happen. Some animals hibernate over the winter. They wake up in spring where there's more food and it's warmer. Storms can change the weather quickly. A thunderstorm has many dark clouds and a lightning. Lightning is like electricity. And it can kill and destroy things. Lightnings make a sound called thunders. This is why it's called a thunderstorms. Tornadoes can happen in thunderstorms. Our tornadoes comes down from the clouds. The winds move very quickly in a circle. If the tornado touches anything, it destroys it. On the last page of reading, there. Hurricanes are the biggest storms. The wind is very, very fast and there's a lot of rain. Floods can happen. Hurricanes just have like a spin, right? Okay, watch main ideas and details. We have changes in weather cause many things to happen. Winter is the coldest season. Some animals hibernating can happen. So I think this blizzards can happen, right? Some animals hibernate over the winter. Something are storms with lots of lightning, thunderstorms. Something can happen in thunderstorms. Tornadoes, right? Okay? Hurricanes are the biggest storms because we see it on last page reading there. They are the biggest storms. Well, today we've learned about changing weathers and clouds and weathers. Well, remember, after this lesson, you have been practicing learning about those changing weather and how to describe the weather with different kinds of clouds. We'll see you next time and have a good day.